Sometimes I think I'm not as strong, but there's a force that carries me on. Sick of my small heart made of steel, sick of the wounds that never heal. Cause I have lived my life in debt, I've spent my days in deep regret. Yeah, I've been living in the red. Oh, cause I can't forgive and I can't forget, 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 ain't no time for regret. Yeah, it's time to forget. Ever since I can remember, life was like a tipping scale, like an abacus I played with, counting every win and fail. Cause I have lived my life in debt, I've spent my days in deep regret. Yeah, I've been living in the red, but I wanna forgive and forget, forget, ain't no time for regret. Yes, I'ma be letting go, baby, you know what I'm talking about. Got nothing to lose and nothing to prove, oh baby, I'm bowing out. I'm bowing out. Yeah, I've been dancing with the devil. I love that he pretends to care. If I'll ever get to heaven when $1,000,000 gets you there. Oh, all the time that I have wasted chasing rabbits down a hole, when I was born to be the tortoise, I was born to walk alone. Forget about it, forget about it, forget about it, forget it, forget ain't no time for regret. I'm gonna leave the past behind. I've had enough. I'm breaking free. No pressing to stop it. Raise, rewind. A train of thought that follow me. I'll put my money where my mouth is. For the first time in my life, I made mistakes that I believe that everything was worth the fight. 'Cause in the end the road is long, but only 'cause it makes you strong. It's filled with peaks and twists and turns. Sometimes you have to learn to forget about it.